Hi everyone. So today we are going to see how to use Flashback Express. So first of all, Flashback Express can be installed from its website. Its free version can be installed, and its pro version has charges. So I have installed the free version. After installation, the dialog box looks like this. Here the main options are area. In area, we can see or which part of the screen we want to share. So there are three options: full screen, region, window. Full screen will share your full screen. Region, in region we can customize which part of the screen we want the customer to see. And window is particularly like any minimized window we have opened like Chrome, Windows Explorer, Zoom, etc. So I have choose window here. After that, there is microphone. So microphone is basically when you are speaking, the input that it takes is microphone. Here we can select any microphone that we have customized for this session. After that, there is PC sound. So if we are playing any video inside the presentation, we want the other person to see and hear that voice. So for that purpose, PC sounds is used. Here we have choose default PC speakers. After choosing this, there is another option webcam. Webcam, if we select it, then along with the screen, we can record our webcam feed as well. So first of all, we have to be ready with our presentation so that we can present it and record it with our voice. So for that purpose, I will open Google Slide. So Google Slides is just like Microsoft PowerPoint. It is easy to share as well. So at live time, we can share it with multiple users. So I will select any prepaid template from here. So I'm selecting a big idea. This will open the presentation that we have been made in Google Slides. So when we are ready, we can click on this present button. This present button will make the presentation start so that it becomes full screen and we can present the content that we want to show to our viewers. So after that, we will click on present. So it's loading right now. When we are ready, we can go back to Flashback Express. So it's loaded now. I will go to Flashback Express and start recording. So this window will show and it will tell me to select a window so that the recording can start. So I will select this window. It is showing the red boundaries, and because of the clicking, I went to the next slide. So I come back to my previous slide and start on record. The shortcut for stopping the presentation is Shift plus Control plus S. So it will stop the recording. So right now I'm currently clicking on record to start the recording. It will show me the pop-up that get ready and the counter of 3, 2, 1. Then I will move the window of Flashback Express to some corner so that I can know how much time I have recorded. After that, I can start with my presentation, making presentations that's like selling your idea, intro, how many languages do you need to know to communicate with the rest of the world. So, like that, we will present our content, and after that, we can stop the recording by using the shortcut Shift plus Control plus S. So, this has stopped the recording, and to save it, we can click on play because save is getting saved. Will make the file save in Flashback Express format. So, we want to save the file, we have to first play so that it opens in Flashback Express player. And we can see how we have made the video. Once we are happy with our content and the recording, we can save it in three formats, any of the three formats, MP4, AVI, and WebM. So here I will play it and review how my recording has been done. So this recording, I'm happy with it. I will pause it. Go to File, Export, and choose MP4 and click on OK. So it will start parsing and exporting the video in MP4. So it will ask me where I want to save my video and what name I want to give it here. Then I can click on save. So it will start saving the video. So as we can see, the video is ready now and we can play it or open the file location. So I want to play it right now. I'm clicking on yes. So it is opening in my default media player. So the recording has been completed. That's it for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you like my content, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel.